If you press no, it will create a fail result, and then it will tell you to contact Russ. So once you've gone on to the next step, what this step is going through the edge connector. So what Tundra will do now is it will plug our test fixture into the BoardMaster, into the AMS module. So as you can see, we have already got some previously generated results. This is from the good working board, and now what we're doing is we're testing the good working board against the faulty board, which we do currently have plugged in a minute. So it will be the same process as before. As you can see at the top, it says please confirm all documents have been read. So Tundra's read all of the documents available for him for this particular test, and he's going to press confirm to confirm that he has. And then what it will do is it will start the test in 5 seconds. So as you can see now, what is happening is the test is running by itself, and once the test has been fully run, what will happen is this test will stop, and then it will generate the result for you. So as you can see, we have got a fail result compared to the good working board. So what we will do is we will analyze the results, because even though it says fail, doesn't particularly mean that it has failed. It could be a deficit where the signals are a little bit off. So what we'll do is we'll look through each of the signals to compare. As you can see here, the signal is not completely different. We have a same shape of signal, just a little bit off-centered. So we won't particularly say this is the problem, move on to the next. We would analyze all the results and try and figure out if any of these are completely different to what the results should be.